Hello everybody, welcome to iExamBee's LegalBee. This is Amrita, your law faculty here at iExamBee. Welcome to the series that we have started exclusively for the preparation of SEBI Grade A Legal Officer Examination Phase 2, and that too we are going to discuss about the descriptive section in this particular video series. I have started with the first video of this series that is talking about the general points that you have to keep in mind whenever you are framing your descriptive answers. And in the second video, I have discussed the first topic in which I have discussed a topic from Evidence Act that is relating to presumptions. उस पर आप आंसर किस तरीके से लिख सकते हैं, what all points are important, what should be the manner and the style in which you have to write your answers for the descriptive section. आज के इस वीडियो में हम लोग एक और important topic pick करेंगे and that is going to be from Indian Penal Code. So this series is going to continue. Don't forget to subscribe to LegalBee. If you have any queries, you can reach out to us in the comment section of this video also, or else you can also email to us on hello@iexambee.com. या फिर आपके कोई भी डाउट्स हैं, आपको किसी टॉपिक पे आंसर्स या टिप्स की ज़रूरत है, you can directly write in the comment section of this video as well. Let us check the descriptive section once. Phase 2 ऑनलाइन एग्जाम ही होने वाला है, तो आपको आंसर्स को टाइप करना होगा. And there will be 3 descriptive questions, 10 marks each. So आपका जो syllabus है that is criminal law, evidence, corporate law, securities law. From all these areas you will be getting 3 descriptive questions and 70 multiple choice questions will be there of 1 mark each. तो ये तो syllabus हम सबको clear हो चुका है. इसलिए मैंने आज Indian Penal Code का एक important topic लिया है for discussion, that is what is criminal conspiracy as defined under IPC. Question तो simple ही है. You just have to define criminal conspiracy. लेकिन अगर आपको descriptive answer लिखना है तो आप इस topic को कैसे approach करोगे? How you are going to start with it? What all things you can add in the answer to make it look more attractive and more beautifully written answer basically. क्योंकि 10 marks में से अगर आपको examiner का दिल जीतना है तो आपको किस तरीके से answer लिखना होगा? That all things we have to understand. And also you cannot make any kind of formatting on the answers. You are just allowed to type the answers and you can put the enter button. आप किसी भी तरीके का bold या italic ऐसे कोई underline ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते एग्जाम में. Keep that thing also in mind. So first, as I told you all, introduction should be there in each and every answer. हर एक आंसर में आपको introduction से start करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. You can end with a short conclusion as well. एंड इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, उसमें सारा बेसिक डिटेल इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको देना बहुत ज़रूरी है. सो हियर यू कैन ऐड दैट विच चैप्टर इज डीलिंग विद क्रिमिनल कॉन्स्पिरेसी. Why you have to add that over here? Because it's an amended provision. Again, chapter 5A of IPC consists of provisions relating to criminal conspiracy. So ये तो ध्यान में रह भी सकता है आपको बहुत easily, and sections भी ज़्यादा नहीं है, only 2 sections are there. So both the sections they are dealing with what? And then you can add some points about what is the meaning of conspire. Means उस basic term का meaning आप बता सकते हैं. Introduction should be like an introduction. In that you should get an overview of the entire concept. Conspire means to jointly make secret plans for committing an unlawful or an harmful act. And when 2 or more persons agree, either expressly or impliedly, to do an illegal act or an illegal act but with illegal means, then that will come under the act of criminal conspiracy. And whenever it is an offense where not only one person, rather 2 or more than 2 persons are required, because a single person cannot conspire. अगर उससे related कोई speciality है तो वो आपने ज़रूर mention करना है. Like criminal conspiracy एक ऐसा offense है जो एक अकेला इंसान नहीं कर सकता. Murder एक अकेला इंसान कर सकता है, but when we talk about criminal conspiracy, only one person cannot do it alone. So that is a distinguishing point which you should mention in the answer definitely. Then starting with the definition, section 120A you can mention there. And here the students have queries कि exactly section की language ही चाहिए क्या, but ऐसा कुछ भी ज़रूरी नहीं है. If you have put the correct section number and you have used the keywords of that section and framed it in your language, then also it is fine. What is important is the concept. And yes, descriptive answers में section numbers भी important होते हैं. MCQs में हम लोग section numbers से अगर question नहीं आता है तो हम उसे skip कर सकते हैं. But when you are talking about the descriptive section, then you have to talk about that particular section also. It will always be good. And then, as it is Indian Penal Code, the next very important thing will be the ingredients. Ingredients of criminal conspiracy is important. There must be an agreement between two or more persons. Agreement होना ज़रूरी है. And the agreement should be to do what? To do an illegal act, or to do by illegal means an act which may not itself be illegal. यानी कि act illegal ना भी हो, but the means can be illegal to do that particular act. And all these ingredients are sufficient for constituting criminal conspiracy but in case of conspiracy, other than a conspiracy to commit an offense. If यहाँ पे एक और एक अच्छी चीज़ आप कर सकते हैं, especially when we are talking about Indian Penal Code, you can use examples, illustrations to depict that particular offense. That will show that you have understood the concept also, and that will add more value to your answer. A conspiracy to commit a tort. Some overt act must be done by one or more parties to the conspiracy before they can be punished under this particular section. So this is something which is important. इसको आप और elaborate करना चाहिए आपने. I have just given you the important points, okay? And you can add your own examples, one or two, to make the answer more attractive. Coming to the punishment that is provided under section 120B. Punishment तो आपको as it is जो है वही लिखना होगा. Then coming to kinds of conspiracy under IPC 120A, chapter 5 section 107 talks about abetment by engaging in conspiracy. अब ये दोनों जगह पे conspiracy word आया है, that's why we have used it as kinds of conspiracy. एक 120A में जो हमने already discuss किया है, another kind of conspiracy is covered under abatement. Section 107 talks about abatement by way of engaging in conspiracy. Means engaging in conspiracy is a method by which abatement can be carried out under chapter 5. So that we have to mention here and try to distinguish also. Then conspiracy to wage war, section 121A. So this is how you can expand your answer by making it more comprehensive. Not just sticking to 120A but also including these angles about conspiracy. If they have asked you criminal conspiracy, you can include all these. If they are specifically asking you in the question about criminal conspiracy under section 120A and B, or they are asking you chapter 5A, तो फिर आप 120A और 120B पे stick कर सकते हैं, उसको और elaborate कर सकते हैं, ingredients को elaborate कर सकते हैं, illustrations दे सकते हैं. But if they have asked you generally what is criminal conspiracy, then you can add all these also. Abatement by engaging in criminal conspiracy, conspiracy to wage war. So distinguishing point also you can add towards the end of the answer. Criminal conspiracy and abatement, how they are different with each other. So that can be making your answer very comprehensive. So this is how you can ace such kind of answers in the descriptive section. Just you should know that what is the correct technique of framing an answer, how you have to start it, how you have to end it, and in which type of questions you can add some extra points and make it comprehensive. And if the question is very specific in scope of the question itself is limited, then you should try to focus on elaborating that particular content only. So this is how you have to make a decision when you get the question in front of you and answer accordingly. So ये आप develop कर सकते हैं by practicing more and more questions and more answers, writing them on your own, assessing yourself, and also take help of all these videos of this series and also other videos that we have coming up on iExamBee's LegalBee. And don't forget to subscribe to LegalBee. Prepare 50% faster with us at iExamBee. Thank you everybody. Have a good day.